Welcome back to the weekly Forex forecast and technical analysis for the 25th of March. Congratulations to all members of this week on the targets being hit. And if you follow me on YouTube, then subscribe and to click the notification button as well. So on to the analysis, the full market analysis for the weekend, and see what's coming up for the following week. I'm going to give you the trends. I'm going to give you the targets. And enjoy the ride for the next 15 minutes or so. So DXY is the main pair that we actually analyze the US dollar on. So if the US dollar is strong, we're looking to sell euro dollar, pound dollar, buy US Swiss, etc. So the price has broken the previous target 104.27 and held above it, which is really important. So as long as it holds on Monday morning the 25th, then we can expect further upside to 105.47. The yen futures is not parabolic, it's not in a trend. As you can see, it's up and down, it's not sure where to go now. Do expect this to go down slightly to 66.60 and then on to 66.40 where there's major support area. But in terms of the yen pairs, we do need clarity in the yen futures. So hopefully in the next few days we'll get some clarity. What is clear is the Swiss franc futures. So this is going to be our favorite trades for this week along with the dollar. And so as long as the Swiss franc futures is going down, which it is, it's broken the previous support area and is heading for a 11118. So what this means in terms of correlation is that the Swiss pairs are all going to go up very nicely. Members, you have done amazingly well with the indices in the last 6 months or so, and we're going to show you these now. And FTSE has gone parabolic to the upside, hit our target 7904 this week. Congratulations if you had that as your target. And each morning or each afternoon during the New York session, for members, I do my full analysis every day where I do the trailing stops as well and targets and any new trends coming in. So the FTSE 100 continues to the upside. 80.43 is the next target. Nasdaq has gone long, and as you can see, it's hit our target 18.236. Congratulations, we have a new target 18.952. As long as the price holds on to this structure here and any kind of pullback, we're going to see the price rise. The Dow Jones is not parabolic, and nor is the Hang Seng either. So I'm only showing you the ones that are trending now. So in other words, where we have green flags, that is trending up. Red flags are trending down. So they're ones to watch. This is the Aussie 200 index, and we do have a target here of 7998. S&P 500, congratulations members if you've held on 6 October. This is the move that we analyze every day, and you just hold it and hold it and hold it and hold it. Fantastic way to trade. And so therefore our target now is 5,587. I'll show you how we calculate the stops very easily. All we do is go to the 4 hour and we trail these stops here. So just move your stop every day during the New York session. I'll pop in and show you where the stops are, confirm where the stops are, and also targets as well. And in addition to that, you can also get some swing lows, swing lows, swing lows to get some more trades along the way. Congratulations on the DAX as well. Fantastic move on the DAX, and this has got thousands of pips behind it and continues upwards. So the stop now is 17,933 for members. The target is 19,346. As long as the DXY continues upwards, which looks like it's going to certainly next week from Monday, then we can expect further downside momentum on the euro dollar. So this is one to watch. Sell euro dollar to 106.97. Similar situation for the pound USD, but not as good as the euro dollar. Euro dollar is red hot, so look for that on Monday. This is holding on to some support here, and so this won't be traded until it sorts itself out. US Swiss doing exactly the opposite as the euro dollar, so any kind of pullback is going to get the trade higher in this week. So any kind of pullback like this is going to head for 93.89. Congratulations, members who have been trading the New Zealand USD Kiwi, and we do expect further downside momentum as it's broken this structure, break a structure, so down to 57.39, and this is obviously driven by the DXY, the strengthening of the US dollar. US Canadian is holding back a little bit, not quite as clear, but nonetheless we do expect this further upside momentum. All the buyers are in and everything's going up. It's holding on to support, so any kind of pullback is going to head for 136.70. The Swiss, a fantastic move this week. I don't know if you've got that, members. Members done all pretty well. Hit two targets in the last few weeks. 11121 and then 112195. We have another bigger target this time, 11709 this week. So get ready for this. This is going to be lovely. The Swiss franc is weakening big time, so we do expect further upside. So the Canadian Swiss doing exactly the same thing. It's holding on to this, hit our target, but holding on to this previous high here from a few months ago, and as long as the price holds above 66.26, which it's just fallen below, then we can expect further upside momentum. So any kind of pullback is going to go to 68.06. Euro Swiss exactly the same. This was resistance area, now it's been broken. We can expect further upside momentum. We have another big target up here, which is 1000, big round number there. Aussie Swiss doing exactly the same, of course. Hit our target 59.06 during the week, so we now have a target of 61.48. So any kind of pullback here is going to start to move higher. Just keep an eye on the Swiss franc futures, because that is the driver of the markets. The New Zealand Swiss is holding off a little bit, but we do expect further upside momentum and this to break in the next few days. So any kind of pullback is going to head for 56.19. New Zealand Canadian, congratulations traders this week on the New Zealand Canadian. Here our target, lovely, 81.50, which is the previous support. Now, in order for this to continue, it has to break 81.53. Currently 81.51 it closed on, so it's either going to bounce or it's going to continue down. I suspect the latter, so I do expect this price to continue down to 79.92. Pound Aussie's gone parabolic to the downside, traders, just in case you missed it. So we do expect the price to come down to 190.83. Check your charts to clarify. Aussie New Zealand, another great example of a parabolic trend that we use every day, and you just lock in the profits every day. If you're not using this yet, then you should be, because there's thousands of pips to be had just by moving your stop. Hit our target 108.04 in the week, and on to this target up here. I can't see it. 109.40, or just above that, 109.50, 109.42 to be precise. Final one, Euro New Zealand. This again has broken to the upside, hit our target 179.38 this week. On to our next target of 182.10, which is convergence area this week. None of the commodities are trending. I can show you gold. This is now very mixed on all charts. It did hit our previous targets, congratulations, but now it's hesitating. So I think that maybe it needs to come back down to 21.45 and before it moves up to 21.94 again. But we're only trading trends in this instance. But I will be looking at the gold software throughout the day for members. Have a wonderful weekend.